into the crowd. India lift the World Cup. After 28 years, the parties start in the dressing room. And it's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent in the night of the final.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It was really an emotional day for the Indian cricket fans today when out of blue moon Indian cricket, the former Indian captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni, he announced his retirement from the international cricket. And I know a few of my Indian friends, they were in tears. India's stalwart Mahendra Singh Dhoni on Saturday stunned the cricket fraternity. Veteran revealed his decision on Instagram and he shared a video on his cricketing journey. He even thanked fans for all their support and love over the years. Dhoni, the only to clinch 3 major ICC trophies, put an end to all the retirement speculations on 15th of August. Ever since his last India appearance, several speculations over his retirement have been doing rounds on social media. Dhoni ended the rumors and squashed the possibility of him donning the India jersey in the next 2020 World Cup. The Ranchi stalwart had a disappointing end to his career as he didn't steer India to the victory in the semi-final of 2019 World Cup. Despite his valiant batting effort, a run-out ended his innings and India's chances of progressing into the final of the showpiece event. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, 13 months after playing his last international game, announced retirement from the highest level. He walked away silently like he had done in tests back in 2014. While it was BCCI press release then, it was an emotional video on Instagram from a man himself today. He depicted his whole journey at the international arena. Soon after the news went viral, the former and the current cricketers poured in their wishes for. Meanwhile, Wikipedia, a free encyclopedia created and edited by the volunteers across the world, also duly updated the news only in minutes after Mahendra Singh Dhoni called it quits. It changed his introduction from Indian cricketer to former Indian cricketer quickly, and the fans have noticed the same lauding the efforts of Wikipedia. The Wikipedia already has enough information on the veteran cricketer, and at the top of all, it has mentioned Dhoni's major achievement in his career. It is well documented that he is the only captain to win all ICC trophies. 2020 World Cup in 2007, then 50 over World Cup, and then the Champions Trophy. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is set to stage on fire in Indian Premier League. Meanwhile, all the speculations are set to rest by Mahendra Singh Dhoni himself by retiring. Also, one can expect different Mahendra Singh Dhoni in the upcoming Indian Premier League to be played in United Arab Emirates. Moreover, there will be no pressure of doing well on Mahendra Singh Dhoni now. He has retired from international cricket and his path is clear for the likes of Rishabh Pant and KL Rahul to take over. It will also be interesting to see when the former Indian cricketer continues featuring in Chennai Super Kings. For now, he is in Chennai and has joined the conditioning camp of the franchise. Before travelling to UAE next week, probably on August 21, he will be leading the franchise once again like he has done in 10 seasons. He led RPS in 2016 when Chennai Super King was suspended. So I'm just now at the end of my video, I'm gonna tell you the Mahendra Singh Dhoni's achievement. He won the 2011 World Cup for India. Then he led Indian cricket team to number 1 in test matches. In 2010, the Indian cricket team was number 1. Then we all remember India, they managed to beat Pakistan in the finals of 2007 2020 World Cup. Then he won Champions Trophy for India in 2013. Then he won IPL season 2010, 2011, 2018. And then Champions League 2020, 2010 and 2014 he won. Then Asia Cup he won for India in 2010. Then Asia Cup of 2016, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, he won for India. So many achievements. I'm just short of words for Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He was a big player, and the special thing about Mahendra Singh Dhoni was he was witty, intelligent, clever, calm, and cool. He never expressed and showed his expression on his face, and that used to calm whole Indian cricket team on field. And if you see that why the Kane Williamson of New Zealand, he's called Mr. Ice, is just because he stays calm and he just follow the footsteps of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I don't think so that India they're gonna get a big player like Mahendra Singh Dhoni ever again. And another special thing about Mahendra Singh Dhoni was that he always used to win tosses. He was very lucky with the tosses in the major ICC events, and that was one of the reasons he was a so successful captain for India as compared to Virat Kohli. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a giant cricketer who played the game with great success and end of an array of all Mahendra Singh Dhoni leadership stories. And my favorite all-time story is when India were on the verge of beating Australia in Melbourne Cricket Ground in 2008. Dhoni told his players not to go overboard while celebrating because that would have made Australia feel that India's win was a fluke. I just wanted to tell you that I predicted, if you see or follow or you subscribe my channel, I'm gonna share the link of that video that I predicted on 24th of July that Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Shoaib Malik, Mohammad Hafiz, Lassie Malinga, these four players with the cancellation of ICC 2020 World Cup this year in October, this is the end of these four players and an end of an array, and they're not gonna play for their countries, especially when the Cricket World Cup has been moved to October next year, which is exactly after 12 months. These players, they're not gonna play again. If you like my video, please share it, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.